So I checked in on GitHub Classroom and I see that a number of you have not yet accepted the assignment. So I'm going to go through and make a series of videos on how to accept the assignment and how to complete the assignment. I'll be linking these in the Canvas shell, and I'll post a link to the first video, which will be up on the YouTube channel inside of the Discord, and then you can follow the channels bit by bit, piece by piece. So here we are inside of GitHub Classroom. I can see that, I can see who has accepted and not accepted the assignment. For those of you that have accepted, thank you very much. I've created a new student for me, RVCC sample student. So I have already accepted the assignment. And if I go to the repository, here I am inside of RVCC sample student for Rollerball. And if I look at commits, I can see that I have the base project to work with. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to come to the green button. I'm going to open this in GitHub Desktop. Now, remember that if you don't have GitHub Desktop, let me bring this down. Pay no attention to the obscene number of tabs there. You can go to desktop.github.com. And because I'm on my MacBook, it's suggesting that I download this for Mac OS. If you're on a PC, it will give you the option to download for Windows. And that's going to give you the tool that we were using before spring break. I already have that installed, so I'm going to back away from that, come back over to here, open in desktop, open GitHub Desktop app, and GitHub Desktop has started, so here it is here, and by clicking I may have created a problem. So I'm going to restart that task. I closed GitHub Desktop. I will restart, open in desktop. Okay, so it says that it's coming from my sample student repository. It's asking me where do I want to store this locally. So I have a GitHub folder under Documents, under Spring 20, and I'm going to tell it to clone that down there. So it copies the project down, and if I go to Finder, and if I go and look in my, not downloads, if I look in my documents, inside of the GitHub folder, inside of Spring 20, let me turn this into a list. And there is my Rollerball RVCC sample student project. So now I can open Unity and start working with that.